What are we doing today, Ethan?
Go into the river.
All right, let's go. Well, I had to make a gas station stop. I was on this much fuel. Let's go ahead, grab some gas, and get back on the road. All righty, we have made it. So what I've got with me today is the 10,000 fish Shimmer Shad. This is one of the best by far drop shot baits ever. Due to its elongated tail, it gives it more of a shimmer, which is why it's called the Shimmer Shad. Another cool feature about this lure is the foil that's embedded within its belly, which gives it the shine. So I've got my size 2 mosquito circle hook and a drop shot weight. So yeah, let's go ahead, toss this on, see what we can catch. You got one?
Yeah, something huge. Something absolutely massive.
Dude, I was still filming the intro.
I don't know what this could be a muskie. That blow up was absolutely insane.
All right. Let's see. He came off?
He came off.
No.
Did you hear that?
Oh, dude. I'm so sorry, dude. It's all right. You'll still catch him, all right?
He bent a hook out.
He bent a hook out?
I think he did.
Nah. It looks fine. So for this thing, I'm just gonna rig it very simply. From the bottom, straight through the top, just like that. Something I've noticed from fishing this already is that it stands perfectly horizontal, which is something you really want to look for when choosing a drop shot lure. The only downside to the Shimmer Shad is that they are quite pricey. Comes at $1.25 each. Right now, I'm gonna head on this log, cleared my pockets of all electronics. Yep. All right, it's going good so far. Last time I was on it, it went pretty well. I caught a walleye and a crappie. Okay, we are on. It's a little more sunken in the water than last time, but all right, let's try this part. This is, okay, we're good. We are good. Yes, we have access to the best spot now. Just pitch it in there, and we just wait now. Oh, I already had a bite. Are you serious? Yo, on the fall too. Water is a bit stained than normal, so it does make it a little more difficult for the fish to see this. All right, let's try and work it along this rock ledge right here. The only downside about the soft plastic is there's no real scent that these fish are gonna be attracted to on it. Compared to like a gulp or something, a gulp comes packed with scent. But with this thing, it's all about the action. So when it's muddy like this, the fish are gonna be relying more on their scent rather than their sight. Yes, sir. Careful on your way back up.
Okay.
Good stuff.
Let's go.
Switching up spots, didn't have much luck at the first spot, and that's to be expected because the water's a little murky today, but these next spots, I think they'll produce. Oh, there's one. Oh no. It's a small fish, but yes, that's the first fish. Got myself here a beautiful red breast sunfish. There we go. First kill on this new drop shot. All right, today's your lucky day, buddy. I'm not feeling that hungry. Okay, so on that first fish, he did tear up this bait a little bit, so I'm gonna have to rehook it. But other than that, this durability is okay. You can't really expect a drop shot lure to be that tough because it needs that action, you know? The bite has completely stopped. And because I'm a firm believer in testing things multiple times, I will head back here another day and we gotta continue testing out this new drop shot lure I have. Day number 2, we are back at the river. Let's get some revenge. Making my way down, it looks ultra clear. Just check out that nice calm flow of the water. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. All right, so real quick update on our current fishing status. Last time we fished here, the water was a little dirty and it was quite sunny, But today we've experienced some clouds and stuff, and the water's gotten enough time to flow and get clear, so fishing conditions are different. These trucks, man, they just think they can drive on the road and interrupt me. All right, let's get into fishing. You got one?
Yeah.
No, what was it?
Oh, that's like a largie.
Largie?
Largie, maybe a spot.
Every single time I'm just about to start fishing, Ethan just hooks up on a fish and then seems to lose it. I'm so sorry, Ethan. My second shimmer shad. Oh yeah, that foil do be looking good. Okay, so today compared to last trip, we are fishing the afternoon. We're fishing from 4 to like 7-ish. Last time it was from 9 o'clock in the morning to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh, dude, we got moved down there. There was a giant smallmouth just jumped out of the water. Well, that was rough. Still no fish. We lost one fish and a bunch of snags, and yeah, move into spot number 2. This is going to be our home for the next couple of minutes. What I like about here is it's extremely rocky, and bass like to just hang around there. Only thing is it might be a little snaggy. Fish. Oh no, no, it was a smallie. Oh no, what is he doing? He's eating my weight. Dude, this guy is so dumb. Oh yeah, he's got it again. Yes. Get him. Oh, where do you go? Dang it. That sucks. That really sucks. Oh, yo, that's a giant catfish. Giant catfish. Will he eat it? Dude, that could be my PB if I somehow hook him. Oh, the catfish just swam right past it. He didn't want it. He didn't want it. Y'all, it is such a grind out here today. It is insane. The beauty about fishing a river is you have so much water to cover, unlike a pond. Yep. Ethan's got 2 crappie. Very nice. I have yet to show my real form yet. All right, y'all. I give up on fishing the drop shot. I'm gonna use this as a trailer for a little jig head. I just couldn't stand it. Drop shot wasn't catching anything. All right, well, I had enough of no fish. It's time to end that. Just like this. We have a fish. Fish. Oh, giant crappie. Let's go, first cast. Okay, so that was uncalled for. A nice big old crappie on the jig head. Let's get a release. All right, see you, buddy. Yeah, there's a lot. Got one. Oh, this is another crappie. There we go. That's another one. The day was actually kind of bad earlier. I wasn't catching anything. Last minute, decided to use this Catchco Shimmer Shad as a little trailer. Spent 2 days at the river trying to film a video, kind of like a review on that Catchco Shimmer Shad. But as you can see, for its intended purpose, a drop shot, it didn't really work that well for me. But what I did today was I put it on a jig head and it did pretty well. Caught 2 crappie, so it wasn't a total fail. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had some fun, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we had fun filming this. It was hot, it was tough, but in the end, we all caught fish. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Fish for the adventure. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is if you're gonna buy that Catchco Shimmer Shad, buy the bigger version. The smaller version, can't really catch that many bass on it.